Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to connect the Psiphon VPN on your phone step by step. Whether you're using it to improve privacy on public Wi-Fi or access the internet through a secure connection, getting started only takes a few minutes. First, download and install the Psiphon app from your device app store if you haven't already done so. Once the installation is complete, open the app on your phone. When you launch PCPon for the first time, you may be asked to accept permissions required for creating a VPN connection on your device. Tap Allow or OK when prompted so the app can establish the connection properly. After that, you arrive at the main screen of the app. Simply tap the Connect button to start the VPN connection process. PCPon will automatically search for the fastest available server and connect you to it. Once the connection is successful, you'll see a connected status message or a VPN icon appear in your phone's status bar. You can now browse the internet through the VPN connection. When you're finished using the VPN, return the app and tap disconnect to end the connection. And that's it. That's how you can connect Visipon VPN on your phone step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.